learn how to change an object's color in Photoshop. We'll change the color of this balloon. Make sure the layer is selected. We'll go to the Object Selection tool, click on the balloon. Now that the balloon is selected, we'll go to Adjustments, click on the Hue Saturation Adjustment layer. Now you can see this layer has been created with the mask. So now I can click on the adjustment layer and then change the hue of the balloon. I can also change the saturation as well as the lightness, just like that. What I can also do is, if I don't like the mask that it created, I can click on the masking layer and then I can Alt or Option click on it. I'll zoom in here and then I can paint away the mask or paint it in. Make sure to go to the brush tool, which is right here. Select a hardness of 100. Make sure it's on black over there. And then I can paint or refine the mask. I can switch it or swap the color to reveal the mask, just like that, but I'll undo it and just go back to this layer. And that's how you change the color of an object. I can also do it a little bit differently. I'll go to this sofa here and I'll go to the Object Selection tool. And instead of selecting the entire thing here, once I click on it, you can see it's selecting the legs as well. So I'll just click on Deselect, and instead I will click, hold, and drag over the sofa here. And now it's selected the sofa and its fabric. I can go to the layer section here as well. I can go to solid color, and then I can go to red, click on OK. And under the layer section here, change the blend mode to color. So now you can see it's like a peachy red color. I can change the opacity of the layer of the solid overlay color, just like that. I can also double click on this here and change it to a different color. And then I can also change the hue to my liking. And that's a different way of changing an object's color in Photoshop.